Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the differences between digital marketing and traditional marketing. Whether you are a seasoned marketer or just getting started in the world of advertising, this is a crucial distinction to understand. So, let's dive right into it. Alright, let's start by discussing the differences between digital marketing and traditional marketing. Digital marketing is essentially marketing conducted through digital channels. This includes channels like SEO, search engine optimization, social media, pay-per-clicks ads, email marketing, and more. Anything that takes place online or through digital media. On the other hand, traditional marketing involves using non-digital channels such as TV, radio, newspapers, magazines, and billboards. Now that we have defined these two approaches, let us talk about the advantages of digital marketing. First and foremost, digital marketing offers access to a vast audience size. The internet has billions of users, and you can reach a global audience with your digital marketing efforts. Another significant advantage is precise audience targeting. With tools like Facebook ads or Google ads, you can target your advertisements to specific demographics, interests, and behaviors, ensuring your message reaches the right people. Digital marketing is also cost-effective. Compared to traditional advertising methods like TV commercials or print ads, digital marketing often requires a smaller budget to get started. Immediate feedback is another key benefit. You can track the performance of your digital marketing campaigns in real time. This means you can make quick adjustments if something isn't working or scale up successful campaigns. And finally, digital marketing offers easy tracking and measurement. Analytics tools allow you to monitor the performance of your campaigns, including click-through rates, conversion rates, and ROI, return on investment. While digital marketing has its merits, let's not forget that traditional marketing has its own set of advantages. Traditional marketing methods like TV and radio ads can create a strong emotional impact. They engage multiple senses and can leave a lasting impressions on viewers or listeners. Print media, such as newspapers and magazines, can provide a tangible experience for your audience. People can hold your ad in their hands, making it feel more real and credible. Billboards, with their massive size and strategic placement, can generate brand awareness on a local or even national scale. So, how do you choose between digital marketing and traditional marketing for your business? It depends on your goals, target audience, and budget. If you're looking to reach a broad online audience, digital marketing might be the way to go. It is cost-effective and provides precise targeting options. On the other hand, if you want to make a significant impact through emotional storytelling or have a local presence, traditional marketing could be a good fit. In many cases, a combination of both digital and traditional marketing can work wonders. It is essential to create a well-rounded marketing strategy that leverages the strengths of each approach. And there you have it, the differences between digital marketing and traditional marketing, along with their respective advantages. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all answer. Your choice should align with your business goals and your target audience. In our next video, I will be showing you how to use specific platforms for digital marketing. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.